Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we help you make informed decisions about the products you buy. Today, we have something special for all the cooking enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet, a kitchen essential that's making waves in the market. In this video, we'll explore why this might just be the best frying pan for your health and culinary needs. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's get acquainted with our star of the show, the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet. This pan comes in various sizes, but today, we'll be focusing on the 8-inch version. As you can see, it features a sleek white ceramic finish and a sturdy wood grain handle. But it's not just about the looks. There's so much more to this pan. Now, what sets this pan apart from the rest? Well, it's all about health. The SENSARTE frying pan is made of natural ceramic, and it's SGS approved. Which means it's free of harmful substances like PFOA, PTFE, PFAs, lead, and cadmium. Take a look at that ceramic coating. It's not just a pretty face. It's super non-stick, which means you can cook with minimal oil. No more scraping off stuck on food. Cooking on induction stovetops? No problem. This pan is designed with heavy-duty cast aluminum and an induction base. It heats up fast and distributes heat evenly, preventing warping or wobbling. So, whether you have a gas, electric, or induction cooktop, this pan has got you covered. Safety is key in the kitchen. The Bakelite handle on this pan stays cool while cooking, thanks to its wood grain design. Plus, it's oven safe up to a scorching 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Just remember to remove the handle if you decide to pop it in the oven. Now, let's talk about cleaning. I know nobody likes doing extra dishes, and with the SENSARTE pan, you won't have to. Its non-stick surface and no rivets design make it incredibly easy to clean. A quick wipe with a towel, some soap, and warm water, and you're good to go. But that's not all. SENSARTE is also committed to the environment. These pans are made from recycled aluminum, and the healthy ceramic non-stick material helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions by a whopping 80%. So, you can feel good about your cooking choices while using this pan. Now, let's hear from some satisfied customers. Many have praised the sturdiness, easy cleaning, and excellent heat distribution of the SENSARTE frying pan. It's even scratch-resistant, ensuring longevity. With over 15,000 ratings and an impressive 4.6-star average, this pan has won the hearts of many. In conclusion, the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet is not just a pretty kitchen accessory. It's a health-conscious choice that offers superb non-stick performance, compatibility with various stovetops, and an eco-friendly edge. So, if you're looking for the best frying pan for your health and cooking needs, this might just be it. And the best part? It won't break the bank. That wraps up our review of the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this pan, please leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!